Hi guys, so here we have a VW Tiguan Estate 2 litre R line in Onxy White. I'm just getting set up here. Needing to take off the moulding around the arch, as I'll need to get to the dent from behind the wing. You need to be very careful with these mouldings, they break very easily, well the clips do at least. Just taking out the clips that stayed in the wing. There's like a little rubber seals around to protect the paintwork. Now just loosening up the front bumper. Yeah, that should do. Now we're rubbing down with 120 here, so as I will be filling afterwards. Just tapping down the dents slightly. Putting some fiberglass filler in. Now using the infrared lamps to dry. Using my DA machine, a bit easier than using the block, but you've got to be very careful with it. And you can easily lose the shape of the bumper or the panel. Yes guys, give this video a like, it means a lot. Blow out all the loose dust. Sometimes these sanding blocks get blocked up, so it's good to give it a good clean. Take the parking sensor out, tap it down a little bit more. Put some more filler in. Rubbing down again, getting that shape. Our last layer now, this is the dolphin glaze. I'll be rubbing this down probably with 240. Then 360, then 500. Just feeling the edges to make sure there's no bits hanging out or sharp edges. Getting rid of all the dust everywhere. the 800. Now scotching. This is to key in the paint. Definitely need to do it in different directions, not just one direction. Do it up and down, left and right, and then swirls as well. Just keep doing this until it's all matte, no shiny bits. Guys, if you could leave a like on this if you found it beneficial. Plenty more videos coming up shortly. Clean it down, panel wipe it, make sure there's no dust anywhere, make sure the cloth that you're using is clean on wiping it. If there's anything coming off on the cloth, then just carry on panel wiping. Has to be absolutely clean. Don't want any sort of layer there that will prevent it from bonding to the paint. Now taping up for the primer. Yes guys, give this video a like, it means a lot. Edge primer. Guide coat. Weather's turning a bit bad. Keep an eye on it. Rubbing this down with 800. Now day 2, it wasn't good weather, so had to come back. Just rubbing down the primer again. Cleaning, make sure it's all clean. Scotching again. Make sure that the whole panel's prepped properly. Now taping up for paint. Always be careful when you're masking up. You want to make sure that you're covering up the areas properly where you don't want the paint. Making sure the tape isn't overlapping anywhere. Yeah guys, if you can give us a like, really helps. I think I noticed a bit of shiny bits underneath there, so I scotched a bit more. Always looking over your work, making sure it's done. No harm in coming back to something. Putting the masking paper on. A soft edge now to help with the swage lines. Now sheeting all the way over. Tape that down. Now ready for paint. Don't forget to click that bell and then you can get notified on the next video. Just one more clean. Right, there we go. Turn infrared on. Tack it. Another coat. Always tack off the paint after it dried. Okay, any sort of loose paint on top. Third layer. Fourth. Subscribe, click the bell so you get notified on the next uploaded video. Oh yes, we're doing the lacquer now. Taking off of the masking. Dried enough. It's quite a warm day actually. Always be careful taking the paper and tape off. If you like this video, subscribe. Now putting the bolts back in. Needing to use my torch so that I can see where the bolt goes. Put the parking sensor back in. Put the moulding back on. I'm hoping you guys like this video, so please give it a like and subscribe. Bought a new moulding actually, so I put the brand new moulding on. So it didn't really matter if it broke on the other one. Always be careful. Put the badge back on, make sure it's lined up, check with the other side. And there we go, all done.